Three. Good morning, students. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. This is Ashraful Islam, Senior Teacher Mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome you all in today's Math Online class for class 7. In the last class, you have solved problems 11 and 12 of geometry from exercise 9.2 of chapter 9. Today, we will solve credit question number 15. Let's start. Online class work 25, exercise 9.2, question number 15. According to the figure, angle QPM equals to angle RPM and angle QPR equals to 90 degree, comma, PQ equals to 6 centimeter. The questions are: A number, find the value of angle QPM. B number, what is the value of angle PQM and angle PRM? C number, find the value of PR. Now we will solve the question A. A number question, find the value of QPM. So QPM in the figure it will be QPM. That means we have to find the value of this angle. All of you, please see. Angle QPR equals to 90 degree. This information is given. QPR equals to 90 degree. And QPM equals to RPM. So this angle and this angle are equal. And these two angles sum will be 90 degree. Then what will be the value of this angle? Angle QPM. It will be 9. Sum of 2 will be 90 degree. Then 1 will be 90 divided by 2, 45 degree. So value of angle QPM will be 45 degree. We will have to find the value. Okay, let's start. All of you, at first we will solve A number, and in A number we will draw the figure. I want to erase it first. Again I will show you how can we draw the figure. So we will solve A number question. A is here, and for drawing the figure, take a scale, pencil. At first draw a line segment of 10 centimeter. I have taken the length of the side is 10 centimeter. Again we will draw a right angle triangle. So this angle will be 90 degree and this length and this length will be equal. These two lengths will be equal. After that we will join the 2 points. So we have got a right angle triangle. Name of this point, this one will be Q, this one will be P, this one will be R. And we have got this angle is 90 degree. This box indicates that this angle will be 90 degree. Then by using a protractor, we will draw perpendicular line PM. So take the line on QR and find a point on QR, so that if we join the point with P, we will get 90 degree angle. So how can we draw? Look at here, this point will, if 90 degree extend, it will take point P, and on 90 degree the base point will be here. This is the point. Give the name of this point M. Name of this point will be M. Then join P and M. Join P and M. By this way we have got here perpendicular, and the measurement of this angle will be 90 degree. So this one is 90 degree, this one will be 90 degree. That means QMR, it's a straight angle. Straight angle will divide. When we will divide, when we will draw perpendicular PM on QR, then this angle will be 90 degree, this angle will be 90 degree. So in this way we will draw the figure. Okay, now the information will write given from the question we will write the given information. Angle QPM, angle QPM, this angle, and RPM equals to angle RPM. So this is the given information, and angle QPR equals to 90 degree. These two informations are given. Now QPR that means is the sum of this angle plus this angle sum. So we write angle QPM plus angle RPM equals to 90 degree. So QPR equals to angle QPM plus angle RPM, that means this angle and this angle, this total will be QPR. So we have got 90 degree. Now we'll write angle QPM plus RPM. Instead of RPM, we'll write RPM equals to QPM. So we can write angle QPM equals to 90 degree. This 90 here, and instead of RPM we have written QPM. We'll write it here. Therefore, angle QPM equals to angle RPM. QPM equals to angle RPM. We have written it from here. Now, angle QPM plus angle QPM. So it will be, if we add this one, we get 2 angle QPM equals to 90 degree. We have to find the value of angle QPM, not 2. So if we change its side 2, then it will be divided. Then we will get our angle QPM equals to 90 degree divided by 2. Therefore, angle QPM equals to 90 divided by 2, it will be 45 degree. So according to the question, we have to find the value of angle QPM. So we have got the value QPM equals to 45 degree. So this is the result. This is the answer. I think all of you have understood. After that, we will solve question number B. What is the value of angle PQM and PRM? We can write it here. QPM, this angle's value will be 45 degree. Then what will be the value of this angle? This one also be 45 degree. So 40 plus 40 will be 90 degrees. Now I am to erase a number question. In B number question, we have to find angle PQM. That means PQM, that means this angle's value we have to find, and PRM, that means this angle's value we have to find. So for this, look at here, we have got this angle's value 90 degree, this one is 45 degree. So we can find the value of this angle. So how can we write the answer? So at first we will write in triangle PQR, PM is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, we can tell that PMQ, angle PMQ equals to angle PMR equals to 90 degree. PMQ, this angle's value will be 90 degree, and angle PMR will be 90 degree. And or we can tell again, we have got QPM, angle QPM equals to RPM, angle RPM equals to, what is the value we have got in A? 45 degree. So we will write 45 degree. So these are the given information. By using this information, we will find the value of this angle and this angle. So now, in triangle, what is the name of this triangle? PQM. We'll get, so PQM is a triangle. PQM is a triangle. the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So at first we will do the sum. Angle PQM plus angle QPM plus angle PMQ equals to 180 degree. It will be 180 degree. So why? From here we have got 180 degree. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in this way we have got 180 degree. Now we have to find the value of angle PQM. So we don't know the value of PQM. It will remain same plus QPM. QPM is 45 degree. So put 45 degree instead of QPM plus PMQ. PMQ will be 90 degree equals to 180 degree. Or angle PQM plus 45 degree plus 90 degree, it will be 135 degree equals to 180 degree. Or angle PQM equals to this 135 change its side, then it will be, here is plus, when change its side then it will be minus 180 degree minus 135 degree. We will get 180 minus 35 degree, it will be 45 degree. Therefore angle PQM equals to 45 degree. So we have got PQM, this angle's value will be 45 degree. Now we have got this angle's value, PQM is 45 degree, we have got it here. Now another question, angle PRM. PRM, that means we have to find the value of this angle. So look at here, this angle 45 degree, this angle is 45 degree, this angle 90 degree, this angle also 90 degree. So in the same way we have got the value, this angle will be 45 degree. So we will not show this one, we will just write. Similarly we can find angle PRM equals to 45 degree. So this is the result. This is the result of B. Dear students, I want to show it again to you. In B number, no need to draw the figure because we have drawn the figure in A. So no need to draw the figure again. This figure will have in A number, not in B. From figure A we can show this one. So no need to draw the figure here. So we will start from here B. First we write in triangle PQR. So PQR we have drawn PM perpendicular QR. So I told you that, and I have shown how can we have drawn perpendicular. So when you have drawn perpendicular, then this, in that case the angle PMQ will get 90 degree, and in the same time when it will be 90 degree, it will be 90 degree also. So we have got angle PMQ equals to PMR equals to 90 degree. So this angle and this angle will be 90 degree. And from A we have got angle QPM equals to angle RPM. So this angle will be 45 degree. We have got it from A. Now we will find the value of this angle. How can? So this angle belongs to in triangle PQM. So in triangle PQM, sum of three angles of this triangle will be 180 degree. So we have told three angles sum will be 180 degree. Now after that we put the value of QPM. QPM equals to 45 degree. So we have put here, and PMQ equals to 90 degree. We put the value of PMQ equals to 90 degree here, equals to 180 degree. Now at the two angles 45 degree plus 90 degree, it will be 135 degree, and after that next line change its side, then it will be 180 minus 135. Then we have got angle PQM equals to 45 degree. So we have got angle PQM equals to 45 degree. After that we have to find the angle value of the angle PRM. So similarly we can find angle PRM equals to 45 degree. So I think all of you have understood. After that we will start C. I want to erase B number. we'll start C number question. Find the value of PR. So in C number, as this figure is drawn in A, so no need to draw the figure again. So in C number we'll start. Look at here. Find the value of PR. So PR, this is the PR, and the given length PQ is 6 cm. This information is given. So we'll start from here, from B. From B, what do you have got from B? Angle PQM equals to 45 degree equals to PRM equals to 45 degree. We have got it. PRM equals to both two angles value we have got 45 degree. So instead of PQM, if we write PQM as PQR, we can write it. So or we'll write angle PQR, same angles denoted by PQR as when it has shown PQM equals to PRM. We'll extend it PRQ, angle PRQ equals to 45 degree. Now in triangle PQR, we can tell that angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. So in this triangle, so this angle and this angle are equal. So from here we can tell that this side and this side will be equal. That means PQ equals to PR. So why it will be equal? Therefore opposite sides of equal angles. 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 So in that for this reason PQ equals to PR and PQ equals to 6 cm, then what will be PR? Therefore PR equals to 6 cm. So in the question you have to find the value of PR. So we have got the value of PR is 6 cm. So this is the result. So we have got the value PR. I want to repeat this one. From B we have got angle PQM equals to PRM equals to 45 degree. So this value we have got from B. Now we will tell that angle PQM as PQR and PRM as PRQ equals to 45 degree. Now in triangle PQR we have got two angles are equal. So when two angles are equal, then from opposite sides of equal angles we can tell that the sides are also equal. The sides also equal. So PQ equals to PR. As PQ equals to 6 cm, so PR also will be 6 cm. So PR will be 6 cm, and we have to find the value of PR. So we have got the value of PR. So answer will be 6 cm. I think all of you have understood. So dear students, after that we will take the homework, and it will be online homework number 25. You will solve CQ 15 number as right homework. So I think all of you have understood today's class. So that's all for today. Thank you so very much.